You see that? Oh my, hey, Prepper Nation. Angry Prepper. Prepper Nurse. Gram Survivalist. You see this? You see what I'm using? You see how hot that water is? Take a good look at it. You see it? 208. That's 98 at 208. That's how hot my water is. I want you to take a good look. See that steam coming off of that? That's steam. I'd use that. Come over here. I go right here and I put it right here. I get this and this. You see what I'll be using? It's called, yeah, them two. And I put it in here. I want you to take a good look at how hot this water is at 280 degrees. Come on now, let's see. I'm gonna sit you up here so you can see it. I want you to take a good look at how hot that water is when I put it in there. Oh, that right here, I'll take that. You see it? That's some hot water there, boys, with that Clorox. Did you see that? Now imagine each floor looking that hot. The whole thing's nothing, but there's actually 1.5 gallons of solid hot water there. Check it out. See how hot it is. See that smoke? See that steam? Now imagine taking a bath in that. Now that's what I call some hot water. That's how I clean my floors. Now imagine doing it 2 times a day. Heck, my floors should be shiny. Look how pretty they look. But when I get finished, the whole area right there will be completely looking like smoke. Thank you. Share. That's how you kill that coronavirus. The coronavirus, by using this kind of water. You see what it says? 208 or 98 Celsius. That's boiling water. And then you use this right here per room. And that's all you need. 208 or 98 Celsius to clean the house. That'll get rid of the virus.